We're going to east wind my right to left. I've got a good buck on camera out here. Right now it's about 8 o'clock. Just had 2 coyotes come in on my left, so hopefully that doesn't bump out the deer, but yeah, who knows, it may get them up on their feet and moving. Big buck, big buck, big buck, big buck. Yes, just got it done. December 3rd. Just had this nice buck come in. I think he's about a 10-point. Bowtech did the job. 2-blade rage, got it done. He's probably 75 yards behind me. Watched him crash on film. Hopefully I got good footage for you, but we got a big buck down in Arkansas. Look at that dude. Got a little crab claw there. Great buck. Good 10-point. Got a little small crab claw there. Brow tines broke off on the right side, but beautiful Arkansas mainframe 10. What a beauty. You know, I hunted hard for this guy. It's December 3rd, and I was kind of down on my luck. I saw 2 coyotes this morning and just didn't think I'd see any deer. Well, this guy came in behind me, and 2 younger bucks made a scrape and a rub right up here, and hit him with the can call a couple times, and he came right to me. So very blessed. I thank God for this, and yeah, he's going to eat good. Good center punch, double lung, good pass through. Great buck. Very blessed. So stay tuned for more hunting from Natural State of Mind Outdoors. Thanks, buddy.